What up everyone, this is Post-Edit Russian. My original intro was completely unusable, so I'm here remaking it for all of you beautiful people. I rode my bike into this car meet that turned out pretty decent, I would say. A good variety of cars, trucks, we got some shitboxes here and there, and a couple bikes that I rode into. I think I have a video clip. It did have some idiot try to turn into a sideshow, or at least in the back, try to slide it around and do some donuts, but completely failed, almost hitting a couple people and a minivan. I think I got a clip of that as well. Hopefully we'll see it here as well. But other than that, it was pretty chill, pretty nice. Anyway, here it is.
Got the S1000 double R. There's a little R6 right here. Dope setup, dope setup. Bikes over there, cars pulling up, bro. It's just pretty crazy. Let's go look around some. Woo. Damn, bro. Straight up carbon fiber on that. Oh, he's got some hella thick tires too. This shit, bro. This is just the Mustang Club right here. You got a not BRZ, fucking WRX right here. I don't know if you can see that in the light. And whatever BMW this is, I don't know. I don't really follow BMWs, but I call it the real estate car because this is some shit you'd see like professionally driven, like business to business type of thing. Shit ton of Mustangs. Damn, bro. You can't even see that thing is blue. Let's see this Q50 right here, bro. Let's see what he did. Nothing too crazy. Oh, he did do the chrome delete though. Yeah. Doesn't look too good. I can't really see the reflection. Rims are cool. I'm crazy, still stuck with the fucking chrome. I got rid of that shit a while ago. Still got the chrome handlebars. Whatever you call them.
We always see this one.
This thing needs a paint correction.
This thing needs a lot more than a paint correction. Little D-badge Volkswagen Golf. Oh damn, that shit's about to fall off. Civic, bro, WRX. Nothing too crazy. Damn, look at this thing. Look at that thing. That thing is cool.
The Benz is cool.
The Civic is cool.
Yeah, sure. That thing is dope.
Beer ball.
Damn, dude. No, this is not what I was thinking of. I don't know what Benz this is. All stock, assuming. Yeah. Except for the fitment. Fitment's clean. Man, just the fitment alone makes the car look way better. Just look at this huge ass wing. I didn't even notice, dude. LS Fest. Oh, dude, it's wrapped too. I didn't even notice. I thought it was just blue. It's actually, no, that's just some bird poop. That's awesome. And then right next to it, boom. This is probably the best lighting I'm gonna get. Yeah. That's crazy.
Send it because dude, they're gonna close. They're gonna close. They see that? No, they actually.
Look at all these Mustangs. Damn. Little Gil on the Acura. More Stangs here. Let's do this. Let's do this so I don't get in the shadow. There we go. I keep getting in like my shadow keeps getting in the shot. It's still getting there. This is bad. Can't even see this one. So many Mustangs. There we go. There we go. Now you can see something. For now. Look, I'm letting it look black now. It's all silver. No, it's actually like a silverish white. Yeah. It's dope.
It's like it smells like a depot.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Look at them stickly pickles, brother.
God.
Look at that shit, bro. I could cook some bacon on that bitch. You see that shit? Anybody got some eggs? Crack them fiddlers on. Man, bro, look at that shit. That's crazy. That's
Oh shit! Woo! Oh shit! That's crazy!
Hey, yo, who got s'mores?
Move the car!
Who got s'mores?
Anybody?
God damn.
That's crazy!
You're all kind of sticky.
Hey, move the car.
Hey, move the car! Move the car!
Hey, move the car.
Move the car!
Sticky as hell. Alright, bro, who's got water?
Everybody got water.
some s'mores.
Where they at? How you open this shit?
That ain't even helping. For sure, you too. Show the rest of the cars. I'm gonna try to be a little quick about it. A little shitbox Honda. I don't know what kind of fucking Audi this is, man. Little G, all blacked out. That's cool. That's cool. Except for the rims, man. The rims need to be blacked out too. Oh, they're stock. That's why. A little fucking Japanese license plate. Motherfuckers out there swinging a little shitter. Look at this thing, bro. A Crown Vic that's been lifted. Big ass beefy tires, bro. Straight out of fucking Alabama security, bro. That's Alabama PD right there. Another G. Yep, for sure they're over here calling the cops, huh? Yeah, I think it's time to go. I think we're gonna gear up for a second. There's their backup too, but that's just fucking Caltrans. They can't do shit. It's hard to see in the light. Look at that thing. It's fucking dope. It looks a lot cooler on camera, but when you get up close to it, it's like blurry. Like he definitely stretched the shit out as an image in order to make it all fit on a car. Like, you get that close, you can kind of tell it's a little blurry. I don't know. Low lighting too. Someone scratched his shit right there too. Damn, that sucks. Oops. Did not do that. But yeah, I think that's it. Got a couple bikes right there, people chilling, smoking the devil's lettuce, so we're not going to put that on camera. We're just going to go ahead and fucking gear up.
Everyone, post-edit rush here. I did have an outro set up, but again, I did it on my bike and there was just too much wind noise. It was just completely unusable. But yeah, this meet turned out to be pretty good. A little cringe at the end there with that G trying to swing it. It was god-awful, man. Idiots being idiots. But if you like the cars that were in the meet and just kind of hung out and you want to see more of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and yeah, watch some of the other videos. Alright, peace.